can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox, currently trading around $0.49. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? It looks as if the bear market bottom is in for the Sandbox. We have hit a very good accumulation zone. So how low can we go? Is the bottom in already for Sandbox? We have been waiting for that dump to Goblin Town for the Sandbox for quite a while. But right now, the Sandbox is holding its own and we might just see a pump to the upside in the coming days and in the coming weeks. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the altcoin season index is telling us right now we're heavily in Bitcoin season, which has always been a good time to accumulate altcoins. So at what level are we going to be going all in on the Sandbox? We're going to take a look at the Sandbox market cap, which currently sits around $915 million. We've seen the Sandbox market cap even drop to as low as $564 million. Are we heading back there, or are we going to get the pump to the upside before we head there? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The last 1 month has seen the Sandbox go down by 14%. But guys, just not the Sandbox, a lot of altcoins in the market are down double-digit losses in the last 1 month. And the last 1 year, the Sandbox is down 63.3%. That's what happens in the bear market. We have been dumping to Goblin Town since 2021, and rightfully so. We had wonderful bull runs that came before this dump to Goblin Town. We had altcoins pumping to higher prices. The Sandbox was pumping from October of 2020 till November of 2021, going up by more than 24,000% in just 390 days. Crazy things can happen when the market is very bullish. But the market cannot be bullish forever, just the same way the market cannot be bearish forever. And the Sandbox has gone through its first full crypto bear market. We have seen the Sandbox trading for as high as $8.4. That was the height of the metaverse craze in November of 2021. But slowly and surely, as the bear market crept in, we have seen the Sandbox dumping to Goblin Town. In the first 403 days of its bear market, we saw it losing 95% of its value. Now, that's normal with altcoins. We've seen a lot of altcoins do that over time. And why we like altcoins is that even though they can dump this low, guys, they can always recover to go set new highs. But since the turn of the year, the Sandbox could only get to as high as the $0.9 level, which made us to believe maybe just maybe the bottom is not in. Maybe just maybe the Sandbox is gearing up to dump to lower prices. But sentiment in the market is still neutral. The bulls and the bears can't decide where we're going to. And Bitcoin has been performing well since the turn of the year, but altcoins have been underperforming. And history has shown us over time that anytime we see this phenomenon in the market, anytime we see Bitcoin continue outperforming altcoins, maybe just maybe we have an alt season around the corner. Now, the lowest we have seen the Sandbox go in this bear market has been that $0.38 region. And guys, if you're buying the Sandbox from this region and expecting it going to all-time highs from where we're currently trading, the Sandbox will have to give you more than a 10x return from the $0.499 level. If you can hold the Sandbox to get to new all-time highs yet again, you will see a 1,500% increase to the upside. Now, how long will you want to wait for a 1,500% increase to the upside? Some people want to wait 3 months, some people want to wait 6 months. But guys, crazier things have happened in the altcoin market. We can be going sideways for a very long time, but when that pump comes, it is very aggressive and it's very swift. The last time we saw a very strong indications to buy altcoins like this was in November of 2020. Guess what happened after November of 2020, guys? We saw the altcoin market rallying to higher prices, and that rally happened very quickly. Let's take a look at what the Sandbox did from November of 2020. The Sandbox saw swift increase in value, going from as low as $0.028 by March of 2022, the Sandbox had rallied up by over 29%. Then we saw the altcoin season index tell us again in August to get some altcoins, as altcoins might be having a pump to the upside. And as you have it, guess what happened again in August? If you had gotten the Sandbox then, you would have seen huge pumps to the upside. You would have seen another 1000% pump to the upside. Right now, the altcoin season index is back at that region again. It's back at the Bitcoin season region. And guys, the altcoin season index tells us where capital is residing in the cryptocurrency market. If we're in Bitcoin season, it means the last 90 days has seen Bitcoin outperforming the top 50 altcoins. If we're in altcoin season, it means the last 90 days has seen altcoins outperform Bitcoin. And right now, the last 90 days, Bitcoin has outperformed all altcoins apart from XRP and Render token. And history has shown us over time that we can't continue staying in Bitcoin season forever. No matter how long we stay here, at some point in time, we're going to work our way back to altcoin season. And the best time to accumulate altcoins is when we're in Bitcoin season. And right now, we're in Bitcoin season again. And we're back at this accumulation range where we saw the Sandbox accumulating before we had that final pump to the upside. The Sandbox was back at where we're trading right now in July of 2021. And a lot of people that have turned will have continued dumping to Goblin Town. But what happened after that was that the Sandbox gathered itself up, popped to new all-time highs, and got to as high as $8.8. Now, I don't think we might be pumping to new all-time highs, but I think we might be breaking above $1. I think we might see the Sandbox even get to as high as $2.5 in the coming days and in the coming weeks. We had a relief rally in 2019. I believe we might have a relief rally in 2023. The market always pumps every year. The only question is, how high will the market pump? Now, except you think that we're not going to see any pump apart from the 138% pump we see starting the year. At some point in time before the end of the year, we should see the Sandbox pumping to higher prices. Key levels I will see the Sandbox getting to in the next few weeks. If we can break above the $0.89 region, we include first the $1.5 region, which will be very important. If we can break above that level, that might just signal that there's still more juice in the tank for us to continue pumping to higher prices. From where we're currently trading, the Sandbox will need to rally up around 200% to that $1.5 level. For us to get to the $2.5 region, the Sandbox will have to rally up around 400%. I know how altcoins are very volatile. This pump can happen very quickly. The last rally we saw for the Sandbox, it took only 33 days for all that big 1100% pump to happen. And before then, we saw another rally from November of 2020 till March of 2021. The Sandbox took 141 days. So if history is anything to go by, we should be expecting a pump to the upside for the Sandbox in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Long-term investors will still be accumulating. Long-term investors will still be getting their bags filled. That's the way the market works, guys. If you want to behave like a smart investor, you want to accumulate when we're down in Goblin Town, all these indicators are there to help us make good decisions. All these indicators are there to help us buy when the market is in Goblin Town and sell when greed returns to the market. And right now, the altcoin market is on shaky grounds. Nobody wants to touch altcoins. People are scared we might dump to Goblin Town. And guys, scared money don't make any money. So ask yourself this question. How long will you be willing to wait for that 10x, that 20x? Because right now, deep in the bear market is where you're supposed to make those moves that will be profitable for you in the future. Let's take a look at some key details about the Sandbox. The last 1 year has seen it trade for as high as $1.5. It has also traded for as low as $0.37. The market cap of $913 million. The Sandbox has a fully diluted market cap of $1.4 billion. And over 2.2 billion people have the Sandbox on their watch list. Currently, the Sandbox is ranked 51 on CoinMarketCap, and more than 62% of the maximum supply are in circulation. If you want to get some Sandbox tokens right now deep in the bear market, if you're currently accumulating and you're going to be holding to receive that big pump to the upside, you can get some Sandbox tokens on Binance, on KuCoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Remember, guys, in this accumulation zone, it doesn't mean we're not going to dump to Goblin Town. It doesn't mean we can't even see the Sandbox maybe heading back to the $0.37 region or lower. But history has shown us over time that this has always been a good time to accumulate altcoins. So will history right again, or is this time different? If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, we've almost erased all the gains we made in the second half of the bull market. We saw the Sandbox having huge pumps against Bitcoin from October 2021. That rally ended for the Sandbox against Bitcoin in November of 2021. And all it took was just 39 days. So crazy things can happen in a very short period of time in the market. The Sandbox can go sideways for a very long time, and that big 1000% pump just came in the last 40 days of the pump. So you have to hold on strong, you have to hold on till the end. Right now the Sandbox in its first full crypto bear market has been dumping for around 544 days against Bitcoin. The last rally we saw for the Sandbox against Bitcoin ended in February of 2023. Similar story for the Sandbox against Ethereum. We've erased all the gains we made, and right now we're back at the levels where we were trading in October of 2021. From those levels, we saw the Sandbox rally up against Ethereum in 24 days by 574%. So even though we might not rally that high in this rally we're expecting in the coming days and coming weeks, we should see a pump to the upside. We've only seen 2 rallies for the Sandbox since when we started dumping to gobbling town in this bear market against Ethereum. We saw it rally here up by around 96% in a 63-day period. We also saw a rally in the start of 2023 by 76% in a 41-day period. I still believe we're going to see a pump to the upside. So are you going to be enjoying that pump if it happens? If you are not accumulating right now, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you believe we're going to see the market go lower? Do you believe the bear market bottom is not in? If you take a look at the Sandbox market cap, which has dropped to as low as $558 million in this bear market, can we drop any lower? There's always a possibility. But right now, the Sandbox is at a very crucial accumulation range. We have been accumulating since June of 2022. A lot of people argue that the bottom of the market came in then. And if you take a look at what the Sandbox has been doing then, we rallied to August, wrecking the bears. We dumped to December, wrecking the bulls. We started the year on a very bright note, wrecking the bears. And right now we're dumping and going sideways, wrecking the bulls. And this has been going on for around a year. I believe in the next 30 days, accumulation might be done and we might be getting ready to pump to higher prices. But right now is the best time to accumulate in the bear market based on what history has shown us. Are you still accumulating right now in the bear market? And how high do you see the Sandbox going in the nearest future? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.